As we said in the last video that we did for CEI, hopefully you saw it, we said there's a big move happening for CEI and it happened today. Look what's going on, guys. That's the video that we talked about yesterday, and we talked about this triangle and the price. This is said, guys, there's a big move because there's a big volume happening at the same time. Like we predict, the price will jump and have a bottom near this ascending line. And if you want, guys, a pre-market update, just check our Patreon here. You can find it here, and if you want analysis for a lot of stocks, you can go there, guys, and join us. So look, guys, what's going on. As we said, the price went down as we predicted around the $1.33. As I said, guys, if we go even below, but we didn't close candle here, we're gonna see a big buying pressure and volume happening. That's what happening from the last video that we did on the Friday. You see, the price was actually consolidating around the support, and we predicted the price will go jump down below to freak out some like a retail trader to sell, and insider will buy, and that's why the price went up. Right now, as we said, guys, here there's a bit of a resistance, but we exploded from it. Right now is acting at the support because we have a red candle here, and there's the resistance still acting. Actually, the $1.84 that we said before is still acting as the resistance right now, guys. If we want to have a massive squeeze for this week, okay, we have this kind of box actually forming, and this is, we should have a consolidation in this area. Okay, this will be it for the massive squeeze to happen and never lose the momentum. Okay, why we speak right now, the like we just have 1 hour and a half and the markets to be closed. So right now, if we just buy today, we didn't close below the wick here or around the $1.60 below it, and we consolidate in this box, guys, there's that's it. This will be a consolidation before the next buying pressure happening in order to see a test for the $2.25, as we said the next target to be. Okay, this is really it, and this is the healthy way to move up. As I said, guys, the last movement that happened here, not good, because it's like fire. When you have a big fire, the fuel will end really soon, but if you have a little fire, the fuel will be burning a bit by bit. So this is what happening. You see, we have a fueling, a bit of fire happening, but it's not big, but we have then a big buying pressure, then a consolidation here, then we'll have a really genuine buying pressure, and this is what we do in higher lows and consolidating and jumping up, and then rejection, then consolidating here, then boom, we're gonna go to $2.25 again. However, right now we need to hold this area. This will be much better and more like easier for us to overcome this, the $1.84. And if we just go below here, the most important thing, they never go below this ascending line, guys. This will take us a bit time to go to $2.25 and squeeze. However, if we go here, we need to hold this ascending line. As I said, guys, in the last video, when we consolidating here, as said, guys, even if we broke this support, we need to hold above this ascending line, and that's what we did. Precisely, the price went around the ascending line, tested, and boom, we jumped. Even now, if we we didn't hold, this will be much better if we hold above the $1.60, because this will be easier for us to go faster to $2.25. However, if we have a massive selling pressure, we need to hold this in order to consolidate here, in order to go to $2.25 and confirm that we're still doing higher lows, and big picture is reversed after this massive selling pressure that happened. You need time, guys, discipline and time. Okay, if you want to make money, to have patience, have a strategy, and everything, let it come to you. Never run after the price, let the price come to you. I always say that, and our Patreon and our hunters, and they're learning that right now, and you can see it happening for each video we talk about any stocks. Patience, strategy, and just have a trigger or notification for the price target and just execute. So you let the stress and the decision making in the less when the price action movement happen, because when you want to decide when you work or you're actually outside, or you can't decide because you need to have really focus to have more precise decision making. But the better is to decide and have a strategy set before. When it hit our notification, you already have your you decided and you already have the target preset before. This is how I do it, guys, and this is a lot of the secret of a professional trader. That's how they do it. So guys, join us in Patreon if you want to learn more how to preset to make your strategy and how to target the profit taken like Insider. Join us in Patreon in comment section below, and see you in the next update, daily update for CEI. So if you're new here, put the notification, subscribe, and see you in the next video.